Hi, this is Mr. Richmond again, and for this video we're going to look at how to make an appropriate bar graph using Google Sheets. In the last video we used Excel, so Google Sheets is a little bit different. Still the same idea, however, that we're going to put our independent variable in the first column, which in this case is going to be the month. Dependent variable is going to be in that second column or the remaining columns. So when I'm ready to make my graph, I'm going to highlight all of my data, go to the Insert tab, click on Chart, and because this is a qualitative set of data or characteristics such as the month, a year for this case, we could do eye color, hair color, favorite sport, whatever type of qualitative set of data that we would be using, we want to make sure that we are using a bar graph, which that would work fine. And now all that is left for me to do is go ahead and add my vertical axis title, my horizontal, or my chart title. I'm going to just start with my chart title, which needs to include both the independent and dependent variables of whatever it is, the type of data that you are looking at. So for this case, it's the average monthly high temperature in Connecticut. That's fine. And then I'm going to click on this drop down arrow, add my horizontal axis title, the x-axis, my independent variable, which is going to be the month. And then finally the vertical axis dependent variable is going to be temperature. Don't forget to label your units, which in this case is going to be Fahrenheit. And you are now done with your graph. I hope this helped, and good luck.